My name is Josh Iris. I'm the president of Ace Electric Motor and Pump Company here in Stockton. Ace has actually been doing hands-on training classes for about 7 years. We've designed this whole room really to help bring up maintenance teams and electricians up to speed on how to do some of this routine maintenance. I'm standing in front of one of our mechanical labs right now, and really what this is designed to do is teach people proper shaft alignment, belt tensioning, also understanding a little bit more about pillow blocks and shafts. What we're looking at here is we have two WorldWide electric motors. We have an open drip proof, one of their incredibly awesome IP69 washdown motors, which are fantastic. So we use these every day on our job site. So a lot of maintenance people that get to come in here love about seeing what they're using at the plants, but also getting to put their hands on it. So this is a really comprehensive course that really helps them understand how to install these in machines and commission them so they run reliably for a long time. Yeah, so this lab right here specifically is designed to help us to set machines that are coupled. So right here in this lab, we have lots of different types of either short flush or spacer couplings. So we show people how to properly install couplings, how to make sure you get the gapping right, as well as motor installation, correcting things like soft foot, also being able to look at the effects of machines from like pipe strain and stress. It's a very valuable, very real world, hands-on training lab that shows them how to get motors installed correctly and so they run reliably. It's very interesting, but up to a third of the motor failures can be linked to something that happens in installation. So this is really designed to show people how to do those little things so they last a long time, very reliably. We've had hundreds of technicians come through now, and many of them rave about the results. And it's great seeing them as I go to the plants afterwards, having a lot of success.